So these are the finished shelves that I made with the live edge wood. As you can see here, I added some of my pottery that I had made a couple of years ago. So those are the two shelves, and then I have one more. Let me take you around here. Okay, and here are the other ones. The other one, which I use for my pans and pots. Okay, so little by little things are coming together and creating my own cooking area and workspaces, and that's it. Okay, so right now I'm cutting out a slot for your hand to get under it, kind of like a cup or a handle. I don't want to put a knob on it because it'll change the whole look. So I'm just cutting out a little slot right now so you can get your hand under it to open up the door. Okay, so I've got that door here, the door that opens and folds like this, that I'm going to be putting onto my island. This is going to be basically for a bar or storage of some kind. And I have the hinges there already. So I'm just going to start putting them back in. The holes are already made where I have pre-drilled them. So I'm just going to put them in by hand right now just to hold it in place. And then I'll use my screw gun. All right, let me get those two guys in. Nice and easy. There's no rush here. When you're doing finished work, you just get it in to hold it there in place. Doesn't have to be perfect yet. We come back and tighten that up. Let me get that bottom in, and then we'll take that from there. You know, it's always a pain in the butt sometimes when you don't have the space you need to get it done, but get it done. I gotta get in there. Okay, we'll get the other one in, and then we'll tighten her up, and we'll be done. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm behind this stool here. So, okay, so that part's done. So let me show you where we're at. Here it goes. It folds like this. It folds back. To get into it, I had to make a fold in it because it would have been hitting this guy here. So take it like this. That's it. And here I have that little recessed area that I cut out. So you get your hand in there like this, do this, and do that. That's it. So that part's done. So that's it. Doing a little detailed work in and around my kitchen. And we're getting there. So if you like my videos and you like the stuff I'm putting out, hey, subscribe. You learn, I learn, we all learn. Enjoy the ride, folks. God bless.